Yo, how can we find the best webcam for becoming a VTuber? Look no further, my friends, because it is I, Syafire, here, and I am going to share with you the best webcam for VTubing. But before we learn about this amazing camera, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more VTuber updates, tutorials, tech tips, and much more. So the best webcam for VTubing is the Logitech C930E 1080p HD camera. Whoa, that's a lot of words. Help! It's great and it can be used both for face tracking and for hand tracking as well. The VTuber programs I like to use the most with the Logitech C930E is 𝐒𝐿, 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐿, and a web-based app called KaleidoFace 3D. If you want to learn more about what VTuber software you should use, click on that card above. The reason I love the Logitech C930E is because it is an affordable camera option that you can use not only for VTubing, but also for recording your face if needed. So, you know when you need to show up for those Zoom calls for school? Yep, you can use it for that too. The Logitech C930E comes out to about $75.99 at this exact time that I'm looking at it. You might be thinking, whoa, Syafire, I don't even have enough money to buy food for my goldfish. Listen, the Logitech C930E is so good that it can be food for your gold. I'm just kidding. It's not that great. In fact, please do not put your camera in your goldfish's tank. That would be really bad. This camera is a USB camera and it can also plug into and utilize a 3.0 USB. It can also be used for both Mac users, I got you, and PC users. Please make sure you have a Mac USB adapter. I'll also leave that down below if your Mac does not have a USB port. Actually, I'm curious. Tell me in the comments if you have a PC or a Mac. I'd love to know. Next, I'm going to show you the movement with this webcam in 𝐒𝐿, KaleidoFace 3D, and 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐿. So this is what the camera looks like when set up in 𝐒𝐿, which is what I'm currently using. This is what it looks like in 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐿. I have no leap motion. 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐿 can track your hand movement with this webcam. And the reason I look so weird right now is because you have to get the paid version. So do keep in mind that you have to get the paid version of 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐿 to do hand tracking. They block it out by making you look all creepy and stuff. But guess what? If you're a horror VTuber, doesn't even matter. You could still use the I'm just kidding. Yeah, you have to get the paid version, but this is how it works anyways. And then lastly, we got 3D KaleidoFace for hand tracking and for face tracking. However, I would recommend using 𝐵𝐵𝐺𝐿 if you're going to go the route of hand tracking and face tracking with your camera. And I'll be having a tutorial on that up next week. The last thing you should keep in mind is that you'll want a good light source going into your camera. If your VTuber software has a hard time tracking your face, you'll want to double check the lighting in your room. The next video you should watch is what VTuber software is best for you, so that you can be ready to set that up once you order your camera. Thank you so much for watching, Gems, and I will see you next time on the Syafire Stall.